初學者學揸飛機都會由小型飛機開始學習，所以呢一部分我會用小型飛機嚟同大家講解飛機嘅基本結構。我會用 Cessna 172，世界上其中一個最出名嘅小型飛機型號嚟同大家講解。接住落嚟所講嘅英文詞彙，大家一定要熟記，好重要㗎。飛機大致上分為5個部分，分別係 power plant 引擎、wing 機翼、empennage 尾翼、fuselage 機身同 landing gear 起落架。我再用另一張圖將呢5個部分拆開嚟幫助大家記憶。第一個係 power plant， 第二個係 wing， 第三個係 empennage。後面會詳細再講一講 empennage 嘅組成。第四個係 fuselage， 第5個係 landing gear。啱啱所講嘅 empennage 又可以細分為5個部分，分別係 horizontal stabilizer、vertical stabilizer、rudder、trim tabs 同 elevator。horizontal stabilizer 同 vertical stabilizer 係固定唔會喐嘅，而剩低嘅 rudder、trim tabs 同 elevator， 佢哋都唔係固定咗，佢哋係可以喐嚟喐去嘅。而 power plant 分為3個部分，分別係 engine、propeller 螺旋槳同 cowling 整流罩。cowling 你可以理解為一個金屬嘅罩，包裹住 engine。咁拆開 cowling 之後呢，入邊係咁嘅樣嘅。而 wing 又細分咗唔同嘅結構，當中最重要嘅就係 flap 同 aileron。flap 同 aileron 嘅外表好相似，佢哋最大嘅區別在於 aileron 係喺機翼靠外嘅位置，而 flap 就係喺機翼靠內嘅位置。然後機翼最遠嘅位置叫 wing tip， 中文叫做翼尖。通常飛機嘅燃料會存放喺機翼入邊，存放燃料嘅位置叫做 fuel tank。至於 skin、ribs、stringers、spar 呢啲就唔多重要，大家只需要知道佢哋係用嚟支撐整個機翼嘅結構就可以啦。依家會用2張相嚟俾大家睇睇機翼入邊 fuel tank 嘅樣。呢個係第1張相，呢個係第2張相。
Right. So we're going to start our pre-flight inspection right here. Again, we're aluminum airplane, 1965, old school. So we're going to check to make sure we have no ribbons popping and that it sounds good when we hit it. And we're just going to give a general inspection of how the airplane looks. We have antennas here. The LT antenna will knock the spider off the airplane. Yeah. And we'll just continue checking, of course, our wonderful blue and gold numbers here. Our fairing right here. We're checking the leading edge of our horizontal stabilizer for any cracks or imperfections. And as far as our rivets, again, everything rivets in the airplane is very important. Fairings are too, but anything that's rivets in the airplane is obviously load bearing, and we want to give extreme importance to that. As we look down, we're just checking for any further imperfections. If we come around in the elevator, all systems, there's a counterweight right here. And you want to check to make sure that is there and secure. As we move the elevator this way, the yokes will come back. As we move it this way, the yokes should go forward. This is your flight control for your pitch, your elevators here. We're going to check our connection here, okay? We're going to check inside of the horizontal stabilizer through this little peak hole here. We do see a slight bit of corrosion, but again, that's an annual type thing. Nothing that would prevent us from actually flying. As far as looking down here, we check the safe connections below here and check that there's no fraying or anything like that on the rudder control cable. As we come, we're going to check that our tail fin secure in the airplane. That was just flown so it's at the FBO killer aircraft, and it's obviously not tied down. Our rudder, we grab it from the lowest, thickest point because you don't want to bend this. That can cause huge changes in your yaw stability. What you want to do is when you grab it from the bottom, you just look inside and make sure that you have no play, not much play in the cable to make sure that everything's secure. You're going to check that this hasn't been messed up because this is your rudder trim tab. It's not adjustable like a pipe or it's fixed. You want to make sure that it's in good condition. You're going to come on the same side still and check your connections. Connection here, and also connection down here. Check to make sure that's secure and there's no rust raining off from here or something. We're going to check the security of our VR1 antenna, which is right here. Okay, the rotating beacon and the aft position light. We're going to come up here, same thing with the bolts here. We're going to check sure that that's oil. Connection here, and counterweight. We're going to check it for smooth, and we're checking for smoothness and checking in the inside of the aircraft. Below, on this side, which is unique, you'll see the control arm for the trim tab. We're going to check the security there and make sure that it is covered in a safety wire. We're going to come below here, check that our access channel is good. Again, our tail fan out again, and our rudder control cable secure. And again, checking inside this starboard horizontal stabilizer for anything nasty or any birds or anything like that might have decided to crawl inside our wonderful airplane. As we come on this side, very important. Again, take a general picture. We're going to look at the fairing here, and the leading edge here, making sure that we see no imperfections, and again, our fairing here, our access panel for the annual, and a fairing right here, making sure everything is in good condition. We're going to check the security of this. Okay, make sure that everything is in normal condition. We're going to give the tail a little push. Again, to check the security and give a no-start little play to make sure the airplane responds as it should. As we come here, we're checking rivets. Again, no pump rivets allowed. Anything riveted to the airplane is necessary for flight. Okay. Quick fact: anything that as you notice here, this is line of rivets. Everything behind this is referred to as the empennage. Everything in front of this line of rivets on the system 172 is the fuselage. So that's just one quick fact from General Aviation Bureau today. Anyway, moving on. Again, we're checking rivets. We come up here to our flaps. We're going to check it. Certainly very dirty because as we have had a lot of rain here in Georgia recently, so I'm pretty sure it's dirty. Well, it is dirty. I'm touching it. But as we wrap here, we're going to check for security. We're going to check for a little bit of play in the flap. The flap should have play, but not too much play. They should stay in their same 40-degree flap position as they are right now. We're checking our access panels. We're checking that there's no imperfections up in here. We're checking security with this bolt right here. As we come here, again, access panels and checking the play one more time. As we move down, this would increase lift on this wing, causing a left turn. So we want to make the yield to the left as it did. This would decrease lift and cause a right turn indicated on the yoke. We come below here. On your 172, you will always notice 4 bolts and 4 screws. In the hinge, it should also be cotter pin. You move down, 4 bolts, 4 screws. Here's your push rod that controls to make sure that's secure. 4 bolts, 4 screws, and cotter pin. Here's your counterweight that protects against aerodynamic flutter. Very important, make sure that's secure. 4 bolts, 4 screws, and cotter pin. Here's your wingtip. Again, this is not necessary flight. This is screws to the airplane. However, we still want to make sure it's secure. We have our nav light here. Make sure it's secure and that the bulb isn't cracked or anything like that. Make sure the screw isn't loose. I've had that problem on this airplane before. We want to make sure that these are in place so that we can detect the operation of our nav light. Coming around here, we have the leading edge. Of course, it's flood covered, but that's all right. We're going to come this way, checking the leading edge of our wing, and as we get to the wing strut, we're checking the security. We're checking the security of the fairing and of the tie down. As we get here, we're checking the security